Oh, what's good, y'all? We back at it. I know it's been a minute, but we finna bop off this. We finna bop off this review. Uh, let's get into it. Amazon Prime, Boxing Day, not Boxing Day, Black Friday deals. So we're gonna get straight into it. Welcome back. You already know what it is. Last video, it was your boy Young Prodigy. Still your boy Young Prodigy, but we going with Makai. Because for those of you who don't know, my name is Makai. Makai, Kai, YP. Yeah, I know the vibes. But today, we got... No, I'm joking. I've been wanting this. Let me start off by saying I've been wanting this for a hot minute. But it was $239 on Amazon. Shaking it. So, Black Friday, I'm just like, I'm going to try and get this out as quick as possible. I'm recording this on the 27th. I want to try and get it out tonight or tomorrow, so hopefully you guys can, buff off some Black Friday deals, or even maybe get it for Christmas if you guys are looking for this. But great for content creators. I copped out on this bad boy. See if it's gonna focus for y'all. Lighting is bare. Wait. Y'all get the vibes. The Pocket Wireless. It was $127. I think it kept to like $140 after taxes. So I'm glad I was able to cop this. Nothing else in the box. You could throw that over there. And yeah, just like I'm like, let me get a good quality mic that I can use instead of buying some cheap ass mics off Amazon and having to replace them and stuff like that. But we finna open this bad boy up. I'm just happy that I got it for cheap, because even like the best part about this, I've been like researching it a lot. Oh, I hate when I ruin boxes. Like, I don't know. You can't even see it too tough. I'm not even gonna try and show you guys what it ripped. But yeah. What was I gonna say? Yeah, like you can use this on your phone, you can use this on a camera. So I'm just like making content. It's just gonna be great, man. Hopefully the audio is as booming as it seems. When you open it up, it comes with product manual and a warranty, which is blessed. So let's just look at this quick. We don't read instructions, but I just want to see what it is. I actually might read these instructions, to be honest, but that can go in the garbage. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna find the product and screenshot it and put it up right here. But I got it off Amazon, this mic that I'm using right now. So beginning of the video, you guys will hear this current mic, and I'm gonna put the name in the corner, and then when I switch to Deity, I'm gonna put that in the corner. Y'all be able to hear the difference. I'll be able to hear the difference in pulse. But yeah, so some key things off rip is the range. The range is supposed to be booming. I'm definitely gonna maybe try and test it, and this is unboxing. I'll test it in review later. But it's supposed to be 70 meters, which is like about 200 feet. So I saw a guy go like basically a bit further than half a football field. Excuse me. Battery has about 5 hours. Super small. I'm about to show you, but it comes in this box right here. A little carrying case, which is actually pretty tough. Open it up. Ooh, teeth. Okay. So let's start with the top. It comes with this yellow USB-C to USB-C cord, so like you can plug it into the receiver and into your phone or into a camera. It also comes with, this looks like the charger. Comes with a charger. Comes with, what is this? This is for like other cameras, or like you can plug it into your laptop. Another cord. I forget what the cord type is, but I should probably learn that. But it's USB Type C to something else. I'm gonna figure it out. And the great part about it is it comes with a lapel mic with a little wind cap on top. You can keep that on or take it off if you want. Has a little pin. I honestly feel sturdy. This is the other end, and the great part about it is you can screw it in instead of just putting it in, just in case. Put this in back in the little dust bag, whatever you want to call it. Apologize if you guys are hearing the laundry in the background, but it also comes, so the mic itself comes with another, what's it called? Wind cap, but there's another name for it. I saw on the internet. I'm gonna find that. I'm gonna figure out what this is for, but I can tell you what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna use it to transfer files from my phone to my computer and stuff like that. But it comes with that as well. Let's get this bad boy back in there. But for the product itself, it's honestly pretty small. Like, I love it. So, like, comparing it to my hand, it's like really, really small. Can I turn this down? It's kind of bright. There we go. But yeah, turn that off. There we go. That's a bit better. Comes with, so this is how it looks. Up top, oop, what I press? So there's a pair button and a power button on the side. Up top, it looks like mute. A mute switch along with the charger port. Other side has nothing, and you can like, the good part about it is you can like clip this onto like any cold shoe mounts, clip it onto wherever you need to clip it onto. So that's the first piece. The second piece right here is the mic. So we got the mic up top, and then this is the part for the lavalier, and then on the bottom, so you can plug it in. This is to charge. Am I right? Let me look at my phone, because it's the same as my phone. Yes, that's to charge. The other side is to connect to my phone. But yeah, same thing, pair, power, and where's the switch? I guess this switch is mute. Oh, what I do? Looks like it's on. Yes. Okay. So it's the power switch. That's what it's looking like. But yeah, so boom. This is the audio right now with my current mic. I honestly can't remember the name, but I'm gonna put that up for you guys. And then I am going to switch over. Well, actually compare it together, and then I'm gonna switch over. So we're gonna turn both of these bad boys on. Oh, tough. Turn it on, comes off. Okay, so it has a little display. On the display, it has mic levels, test, test, test. Sick. Has the range, decibels, all of that. Pretty tough. So let's pair it now. Okay. Oh, is there two buttons? There is two buttons. Oh. I don't know what this is, but I'm pressing it. Okay. It looks like it's paired. Yes, it's paired. Okay. Relay. You'll see like two green lights once it's paired. And there's an what? Okay, so this button right here, the one that says DB, if you hold it, it actually switches the orientation, which is pretty cool. So yeah, like I said, you finna get this popping. in. All right, then we back. So I got this up and working. Finna clip it onto my shirt just to show y'all. So I have it clipped onto my tripod right now, but you can also clip it onto your, what would be best? I'm gonna figure it out. I'm just trying to, brainstorm and stuff like that. But I actually might want to look at these instructions just because the light is blinking. But I don't know if that's just because it's plugged into my phone now. But I'm honestly liking it. It's small, compact. You can kind of use it with your hand or just. I have it like this right now. I'm also going to plug it in and we're gonna see how that works out too. Drop the camera, okay. Let's get a quick look at this. On and off, slide, okay, yeah. LED slowly flash in case that the pairing has not started or was unsuccessful. Okay, so where's my button? Slowly, quickly flash in case that the pairing is ongoing. Staying green. Which light is that though? Because there's two. Decibel button. So the top one is what? Power, and the bottom one is what? Pair / reset LED. So I hope that it's paired. It's okay, I'm finna cut all of this out. Okay, so it's currently catching my voice, so I hope everything is blessed. Yeah, okay. Oh, is that what it is? I don't know, bro. Because right now, this is catching my volume. When charging, I use a flash, running again for charge, let's go junction. Okay, how do you pair it all? On the transmitter, short press, okay. Okay, so that's the mute button. Okay. Mic check, mic check. Okay, so it looks like it's working. So, all right, and we're back. So yeah, I got it working. I hope. Yeah, we got it working. So yeah, the USB part I was telling you about is basically just for firmware updates and stuff like that, which is pretty sick. You can mute it from this. which is also pretty cool. Right now I'm gonna plug in the lavalier. And boom, we're all plugged in, we're all set up, so that's great, quick and easy. But yeah, I can't wait to listen back to this in post and just see how it is. But honestly, off rip, I'm loving it. I was super excited to get it, and now I have it. So if you guys are looking for a cheap mic, I'm gonna throw that up on the screen again. Like I said, comes with an instruction manual, comes with everything you need. It's cool, like you can tuck this in, have this clipped onto your pants, and yeah, like the range I can get up. Y'all could still see me, have it clipped onto my pants. Y'all could still hear me as if I was close over there. I'm in the living room right now, so like I can go as far back as here and y'all should still be able to hear me pretty clearly. But my point is the range is supposed to be pretty deep. Like I said, y'all get that in a later review. But yeah, I'm liking it. Hope you guys like it as well. Appreciate you guys for coming back to the channel. Yeah, more content on the way. Just we finna get better and better. We finna go up, work on my consistency, but I got y'all. Peace.